Say the perimeter is the total distance around the edges of a closed figure is called its perimeter. And the perimeter of irregular shapes. Now this is an irregular shape, so we have to find the area of this shape. That means the boundary of a closed figure is said to be a perimeter. So the perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IJ plus JK plus KL and plus LA. Now what is AB here? 2. So write down 2 here. This is 1 unit. 1. This is 1. This is also 1. So write down 1 here. This is 1. So write down 1 here. This is 1. So write down 1 here. This is 2. This is 2 here. So write down 2 here. This is also 2 and 2. So write down 2 2's here. Now 1 1 1 1. That means 1 2 3 4 ones. 1 2 3 4. So let's add this 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 12 13 14 15 and 16. So this is 16 centimeter. That is the perimeter. That means the boundary of this irregular shape is the perimeter of the required figure. Now students, perimeter of rectangle. Now you know that this rectangle has opposite sides are equal. That means this AB is equal to CD and this BC is equals to AD. So this is L and this is B, breadth of this. This is breadth. AD and BC are breadth and AB and CD are length of a rectangle. And these are equal because the opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So we can find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. That means perimeter is the boundary of any closed shape. That means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And what is AB here? L. What is BC? B. What is CD? L. And what is DA? B. So L plus L is 2L. That means 2L plus breadth is 2B. That means we can say 2 take out common here. 2 multiplied by L plus B. So the formula becomes perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So you have to learn this formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Now students, perimeter of square. Now we know that in the square all sides are equal. That means all sides are of length L. So perimeter of square PQRS is the boundary of a closed figure. That means PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. And they all are of same length and I have denoted it by L, small l. So L plus L plus L plus L. And the coefficient of all these are 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4L. So 4L means 4 multiplied by side. Therefore, perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Now students, exercise 11.1. In this first question is find the perimeter of following figures and consider this one square as 1 centimeter. Perimeter of the given figure. We know that the perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So you can also write down here perimeter of the given figure is equals to this sum of all the sides and then 2, this 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6. So the total is 18 centimeter. That means the boundary is called the perimeter of the given figure. Next is the perimeter of the given figure. You can see this figure is, this is 7 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 centimeter, this is 1, this is 1, 1, 1, 1. These all are 1. So we have to add all these sum of all the sides. Now 7 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 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 1 and plus 1. So this is equal to 15 ones are here and 7 here. So 15 plus 7 is 22 centimeter. Now students, question number 2 is find the perimeter of the following figures by using the formula. Side is 25 centimeter and the perimeter of the given figure is the 4 into side. The side is, this is the figure here. Side is given to you 25 centimeter. So we have to calculate the perimeter of the square. Now we know that the perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So 4 multiplied by 25 centimeter which is equal to 100 centimeter. Next is also a perimeter and the side is given to you 48 centimeter. So put the formula here. Perimeter of the square is 4 into side. 4 multiplied by 48 centimeter which is equal to 192 centimeter. Now, the perimeter of the figure is, in this figure is given to you, this length is given to you 80 centimeter and breadth is given to you 50 centimeter. Now what is it? This is a rectangle and we know that the perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B. So put the value of L. L is 80 here and B is 50 here. So first of all we have to solve the bracket first according to the rule of BODMAS. So first solve bracket. 80 plus 50 is 130 centimeter and 2 multiplied by 130 is 260 centimeter. Students, question number 3 is find the perimeter of this given figure. Now this is 7 centimeter, this is 3, 4 and 4. Now perimeter is the sum of all sides, so we have to add on these 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 centimeter. Now add this 7 plus 3, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 4, 18 centimeter. Now students, we have to find out the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter is the sum of all sides and this is 3 plus 4 plus 5 centimeter and 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12 centimeter. Now students, question number 7 is how long fences are required for a park that has 5 sides measuring 99 meter, 139 meter, 199 meter, 296 meter and 394 meter. Now this is a park is given to you and the sides are given to you in this question. Now in this we have to find out the length of fencing required. He has to fence the park. So we have to find out the perimeter of a park. Length of the fence required is nothing but the perimeter of a park. So perimeter of a park is sum of all the sides. So you have to add up all the sides here and you have to show the working also. You have to show all the calculations here. So you will get 1127 meter. Now students, that's all for today. I have finished this exercise 11.1. Students, the remaining questions are activity based questions, so you can do it yourself. So your homework is to complete exercise 11.1. Thank you so much and have a